Hello my lovely viewers, this video I'll show you how to change eFootball Konami password. Open Chrome browser on your phone, then search for Konami account. Tap on login and enter your Konami ID or user ID. Then go to forgot your password. Enter your Konami ID. Then Konami will send you an email. Then go to your Gmail and tap on the link and enter your 10 characters password. Thank you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.